Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to see how we can create a login form using C Sharp Visual Studio 2022. So here you can click on a new project. So we are going to create a WinForm application for creating a login form. So here I select Windows Form, or you can select C Sharp and all platforms and choose desktop here. Okay, now either we can choose WPF application or WinForm application. So for now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a login form using Windows Form app. So let's select Windows Form app, click next, just change the name, click next, just choose the same framework that's selected there and click next. Okay, now we are creating a new project. Okay, our template is ready, solution is ready, and we see that form1.cs. So program.cs is the starting point for any application. So now that we want to create a new form, what we'll do? So first, we definitely want to customize, change the name of this form. So from form1 to name to login. So let me change. Okay, so now renaming the class, I will change all the places. That's quite effective for us. Otherwise, just imagine changing the name at every place. Okay, changing the file already changed at all different instances. That's one of the benefit that you get with Visual Studio. Otherwise, just imagine changing everything file by file. Our build is successful. Now, let's change the form name. So you click properties and okay, here is that login form. Okay, I was able to change the name. And now the most important thing, the toolbox. So, okay, right now I don't see the toolbox here. So what do? So you click on search for toolbox. Okay, I get it here. Okay, so now you see that there are all Windows forms. So basically what we need to design a login form. So you need two labels and two edit boxes and a button. Okay, so I can search for label here. Okay, that's quite easy. I'm going to select another one. So let me, okay, I was not supposed to double click, but let me rename this to username, right click, change it to password. Okay, so username and password is created. I need the edit box or text box. Okay, just click on this and click on the form. Your edit box will be just created right over there. So you use your mouse to position it correctly, and you have aligned it properly. You see it's coming very beautifully. Now we need a button. Okay, so this is our submit button. I'm going to name it as login. Okay, so what we basically expect, assuming that uh, we are validating for some user, whenever they enter the username and password, and when we click on login, we should check if they are authentic users. Then we say they are successful. So what do we do for this? Let's hard code some username for this test application. So I'm going to create private variables. So let's keep, although the passwords will be, when you are creating some real-time application, they'll not be saved in a plain data, but will rather be an encrypted data which will be validating against. So But for this demo, for creating this simple form application, I'm going to show you just how you just validate. Okay, now that I have some username and password, what I'm going to do is just you need to make sure that you get the names of this edit box. So what is the name? Okay, so the name of this text box is text box 1. Okay, so I'm going to get the text box name. Okay, what I'm going to do, so this is, we know that this is the username, and this is the password. Okay, the Visual Studio IntelliSense is able to fill in those things. Now what I'm going to do, so if username is equals to, okay, and yeah, okay, I was able to write this. If both are equals, then we are going to say message box dot show authenticated, else message box dot show not authenticated. Okay, so for let me now run this application. Okay, I'm going to enter some name. Now what do you expect as a result? Okay, of course, not authenticated. Now I'm going to enter the right password that I've just copied, but I'm going to enter the invalid username. Let's see. Okay, it's not authenticated still. Let me enter Munir. Now it's authenticated. So we are successfully able to create a login form, and I was able to show you how you can validate those details with C Sharp in Visual Studio 2022. I hope you really liked and learned a lot from this video. Uh, just don't forget to hit a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video again. Bye bye.